Hey everyone, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here with our 25th Technique Tuesday.
Awesome.
So we are here with our beautiful fire made by my wonderful boyfriend. So we are up in Vermont and we are having fun, and it was raining, but
the mountains are wonderful.
So for this week's Technique Tuesday, we are going to take our clear sparkles or our bitty sparkles, whichever one you would like, and we are going to color them using our Shinhan markers. So you can use them to embellish your pages even more.
And use any color that you like.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
All right, here we go. We are going to be using our Shinhan markers today. This is our marker roll-up. Just wanted to show you this. Or we also have our brand new designer travel markers pack. Isn't that cool? So I just have both of them here. Wanted to show you. So we can color on the clear sparkles with our Shinhan markers. I'm going to take a piece of white daisy just so you can see the color pop. And I'm going to do the colors of the rainbow today. So I'm going to pull out. Ooh, they don't have colors in them anymore. This is the carmine red, I believe. Okay, this is carmine. We're going to use carmine. We're going to use marigold. We're going to use golden yellow. That's green. I'm going to use golden yellow. I'm going to use the sap green. We're going to go with the marine blue. Actually, no, I'm going to go with, what is this one?
Turquoise blue.
Yeah, this is a turquoise blue. I can't read it. Turquoise blue. We're going to go with the tender pink. And I'm going to go with the lavender. Okay, so we got the colors of the rainbow here. And I just want to show you that some of them are more subtle than others and some of them are a lot brighter than others. So this is the red, the carmine. And I want to do it on the sheet so you can see the difference between the clear. So I always keep them on the clear sheet because you can see I can go to this side and it's not going to pick it up. And they do dry pretty instantly. I've colored and then taken it right off and it comes right up. So this is a super easy trick. If you can't find any embellishments that are the right color, you can always do this. And it works perfect. And even if you don't think that you can see the colors distinctly, once you put it on your page, you'll be able to tell the difference. So it gives any embellishing that slight pop that you might need for something. And of course the clear is also very good. So this is one of the light blues. I'm actually going to pull out the marine blue as well, just to show you a slight difference. That was the light blue. And then this one's going to be slightly darker. It's not going to be much darker. Even when you color them, they are darker. It's going to give it that slight hint of being darker. The lighter colors do take a little bit more to show up, just because they are so light and you're not changing it 100%. Oh, you're changing it, but they are sometimes harder to see, but it will still give that tint. That's what I'm trying to say. And that's the purple. That one's also pretty faded. So just so you can see that they're all different colors. And then we have, you know, the turquoise blue. Turquoise is one of my favorite blues, so I'll put it next to the other blues so you can see the slight differences in those. We've got, this is our vivid green. This is our vivid green. To show the two differences between the greens. So you've got tons of variety differences with these.
Yes, and the Shinhan markers, Close to My Heart, actually has a bundle that you could buy where you get all of the Shinhan markers and the clear blender and the marker roll-up for
you end up getting the marker roll-up and the colorless blender for free.
Yes.
So, and this was the saddle. So yeah, and that's just how you can color these and give some pop to your paper. Along with using our clear sparkles, you can also use the Shinhan markers on our bitty sparkles. Thank you for watching this week's Technique Tuesday. We hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next Tuesday.
It's getting hot in here.
It's getting very hot. And we also have a Throw It Together Thursday coming up.
We do.
We do. So
We'll
make
see
sure
you then.
stay tuned for that, and make sure you subscribe. Tell all of your friends about us. We'll be here. See you on Thursday.
Amazing.
I know. Do you like the nice fire behind? Oh, the fire went out. So what we're gonna do is we can color on the Shinhan markers with the alcohol-based markers.
No,
What are they?
we can color on the sparkles with the Shinhan markers.
What did I say?
We can color on the Shinhan markers with the alcohol markers.
Okay.